Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, SB. So here is the fast version. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did upload some members only videos, and the videos that I did upload are the full version of the process of going through and making this junk journal. The main reason is because it was going to be crazy long, and I didn't think, well, I know for a fact that my junk journal videos don't do very well, so I thought I'll make it kind of like an exclusive perk, so that way if you do want to watch them, you know, it's a minimal price. It's only $2 a month to become a member, and you get access to, you know, my regular channel and the exclusive channel. Of course, there's going to be a lot of other exclusive videos on there. It's not just going to be stuff like this, but there are going to be full size versions of videos, so you don't have to sit through me voice overing and like sped up videos. You can watch pretty much the full process of it, and me talking myself and talking to you guys as well. So yeah, the process of me going through this book here, it's the Fireside Fun and Songs book. I wasn't really inspired by this book, actually. It was kind of difficult for me. The papers that I chose, the fact that it was full of all of these weird kind of, I don't know, hand-drawn pictures, and they were all kind of weird. In the full-size videos, I kind of talk about it a little more, and at first I was really inspired, and then I just kind of like fizzled out, and I just kind of like got to the point where I thought it was really fugly, and I just didn't want to do it anymore. So here it is. I hope maybe some of it inspires you, and maybe you get some ideas. Maybe you learn from some of the things, some of my mistakes that you see. A lot of it I do not show. This was actually, I think, over 5 hours of me recording some of the process. Like, I think in total it was a lot longer, but I only recorded parts of it. I didn't record all of it. And then I just started having so much trouble, like with my microphone, with the recording, with the editing software, just things just compounded on top of it. So it just, you know, I figure why not? There were parts that where I had fun, like this little pocket here that I'm working on. I had a lot of fun doing that. There are a few things later on in the video that I really enjoyed and just fell in love with. So, I mean, it wasn't a total loss, but yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, I do have the members, what am I saying? I do have memberships open on my channel, and you are more than welcome to go check that out. If you don't want to, you don't have to. There's no pressure. You know, it's just going to contain, like I said, videos that probably won't ever make it onto my main channel. These are going to be videos where, like, might contain bloopers. They might contain some background noises that maybe I don't want you to hear. No, I'm just kidding. But, you know, it might be something very, you know, almost off the wall, but not really. So yeah, I hope to see you there. Remember, I haven't even told you about this. How can you remember? But I do plan on doing some members only live streams whenever I start getting members, because as of right now, I do not have any members at all. So I'm not going to be talking to myself. I talk to myself all the time. So, I mean, what would be different? I would just be live streaming. But that is the plan, is to do live streams exclusively for members, so that way we can kind of get to know each other a little better. And yeah, that would be fun. I think it would be fun for you. It'd be fun for me. We'd have lots of fun. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll let y'all continue on watching, and I will see you later. Happy crafting. Bye.